senior scientist at Princess Margaret Cancer Center and a professor of medical biophysics at the University of Toronto. And I'm also the chief scientist of the Toronto site of the Structural Genomics Consortium, or SGC for short. A momentous stage in my career is when I joined the SGC. I've been so privileged to work with many great colleagues and partners in the consortium, including many companies. It has enabled us to create all these resources and research tools that have enabled a lot of research around the world that wouldn't have been possible otherwise. Our area of research is early stage drug discovery, and we make chemical tools that we call chemical probes. They're drug-like compounds that are used by scientists to understand protein molecules inside cells that could be the targets for new drugs. And they're meant to test hypotheses about what types of cancer cells would benefit from a given type of inhibitor. And importantly, we do this in an open science manner. We provide these tools to the entire research community. Probably on the order of 80 or more clinical trials have been launched based on original hypotheses generated with some of our tools. And so that's one of the great impacts, I feel, of the work we've done. I was recruited to the Princess Margaret Cancer Center by Victor Ling many years ago. He was a great mentor in the early years. Now, Vic Ling then moved on to University of British Columbia and led the Terry Fox Research Institute for many years. A great mentor. He introduced me to cancer research, and I've been privileged ever since to be working with Princess Margaret. The Wei Prize is a great recognition of the work we do to create research tools, these chemical probes, validation and a recognition of the importance of the open science approach and the value of these tools to the research community. Well, yeah, when I started my career, structural biology was my original area, where we were trying to determine three-dimensional shapes of proteins and how they worked in cells. And it was slow. And now the state of technology is such that we can predict 3D protein structures without even having to do the experiment. And that has been built on many years of scientists like myself and others contributing our work to public databases that have enabled the machine learning and AI organizations to make use of that data and provide prediction algorithms to the entire community. So the award is very motivating for us to continue our open science approach to early stage drug discovery and validation of that approach, I think, to create more tools for the wider drug discovery and cancer community to develop new therapies.